Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the age-old question: when is the right time to invest in gold? Gold has a reputation as a safe haven investment, particularly during times of economic uncertainty. It is a tangible asset that holds its value over time, making it an attractive choice for investors looking to diversify their portfolios. However, like any investment, there are pros and cons to consider before deciding to invest in gold. In this video, we'll explore the factors that can influence the decision to invest in gold and provide some tips on how to approach this type of investment. Gold has been used as a form of currency for centuries, and it is still considered a valuable asset today. It is often seen as a hedge against inflation and economic instability, as its value tends to increase when the value of fiat currencies like the US dollar or euro decrease. Gold is also a highly liquid asset, meaning it is easy to buy and sell on the market. One popular way to invest in gold is through gold bullion, which refers to gold in the form of bars or coins. Gold bullion can be bought and sold through various dealers or online platforms. Another way to invest in gold is through gold mining stocks, which allow investors to own shares in gold mining companies. These stocks can provide exposure to the gold market, but they also carry additional risks, such as the risk of the mining company not performing well. Before you decide to invest in gold, there are a few factors you should consider. First, it's important to understand the current state of the economy. If there is high inflation or a weak currency, gold can be a good hedge against these economic conditions. On the other hand, if the economy is stable and performing well, the demand for gold may be lower, resulting in lower prices. It's also important to consider the current state of the stock market. If the stock market is performing well, investors may be less inclined to turn to gold as an investment. On the other hand, if the stock market is experiencing a downturn, gold can be a good alternative to stocks. However, it's worth noting that the price of gold and the stock market does not always move in opposite directions, so it's important to carefully consider your investment strategy. Another factor to consider is the potential return on investment. Gold has historically provided a relatively low return compared to other assets, such as stocks or real estate. However, it is important to keep in mind that gold is a long-term investment and should not be expected to provide significant short-term gains. Despite its lower potential return compared to other assets, there are several benefits to investing in gold. One benefit is that it is a tangible asset that is not subject to the same volatility as stocks or other financial instruments. The price of gold tends to fluctuate less than the price of stocks, making it a more stable investment. Another benefit of investing in gold is that it can provide a hedge against inflation. As the value of a currency decreases, the value of gold tends to increase, making it a good way to protect your purchasing power. Gold is also a highly liquid asset, meaning it is easy to buy and sell on the market. This makes it a convenient option for investors who may need to access their funds quickly. Like any investment, gold carries some level of risk. One risk to consider is the possibility of a drop in the price of gold. While the price of gold tends to be less volatile than other assets, it is not immune to price fluctuations. It's important to keep in mind that the value of your gold investment may decrease over time, and you should be prepared for the possibility of losses. Another risk to consider is the potential for fraud. While reputable dealers and online platforms offer genuine gold products, there have been instances of fraudulent gold schemes in the past. It's important to do your research and only buy gold from reputable sources to avoid falling victim to a scam. In conclusion, there is no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of when is the right time to invest in gold. It's important to consider the current state of the economy and the stock market, as well as your own financial goals and risk tolerance. If you do decide to invest in gold, make sure to do your research and consult with a financial advisor to determine the best strategy for your individual situation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.